Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics so you can act quickly. Make sure the file isn't marked read only and you have edit rights. Once done, close Word and reopen using Run as administrator or launch WinWord/safe to bypass add-ins. This isolates common interference. Then, open Review and look for Restrict Editing or Active Track changes. These often lock selection. If a protection prompt appears, note whether a password is required before attempting further repairs. Now diagnose deeper causes. Disable COM add-ins one by one from File Options add-ins because a rogue add-in can intercept selection. If that doesn't help, run a quick repair from Programs and Features. If unresolved, run an online repair to refresh Office files. Also rename Normal. Them in your Templates folder to force Word to recreate it. Template corruption commonly causes odd lock behavior. Make sure to reboot Word between each step so you can clearly see. Finish by updating Office and Windows, then reboot. Updates can patch selection bugs. If the problem persists, open the file under a different Windows user or copy the content into a new. docx to rule out profile or file corruption. Make sure macros are disabled when testing. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Office as a last resort. Troubleshooting tip. If selection remains locked, take a backup, remove custom macros and templates, then rebuild the document piece by piece to isolate the offending element.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.